Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you new to investing and wondering where to start? In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing and provide a step-by-step guide to getting started. Investing can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. First of all, let's understand the why invest. Investing helps you grow your wealth over time, achieve financial goals, secure your future. By investing, you can build wealth through compound interest, achieve long-term financial goals, such as retirement or buying a home, diversify your income streams. Before investing, define and set your financial goals. What are you saving for? Retirement, down payment, etc. What's your risk tolerance? Conservative, moderate, or aggressive? How much can you invest regularly? Monthly or quarterly? Now, let's explore some popular investment options. Stocks, ownership in companies, offering potential for long-term growth. Bonds, debt securities with fixed returns, providing regular income. ETFs, diversified portfolios, tracking specific indexes or sectors. Mutual funds, professionally managed funds, offering diversification and expertise. Index funds, track market indexes, providing broad market exposure. Where to start? To start investing, open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker, such as Fidelity or Vanguard. Fund your account and set up a regular investment plan. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer broad market exposure and diversification. Educate yourself and stay informed through financial news and resources. Tips for beginners. Here are some tips for beginners. Start small and be consistent. Invest regularly, even if it's a small amount. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across asset classes and sectors. Avoid emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. Stick to your long-term plan. Seek professional advice. If needed, consult with a financial advisor or planner. Investing for beginners can seem daunting, but with a solid understanding of the basics, you can start building wealth. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice.